Hey, so today we're doing Neapolitan pies. We got this cool machine that Kenji sent us. It's a Breville Pizzaiolo oven, and it is able to reach a much higher temperature than most home ovens. It's supposed to get up to like 750 Fahrenheit. It's worth giving a spin, especially since we can do it indoors. And doing a little bit of a side-by-side comparison of pizza cooked in that versus ones cooked in a regular oven, ripping hot with a baking steel, and then right when the pizza goes in, turning it to broil. Over the past few days, put together a bunch of different types of dough using different hydrations, different flours. So we're just gonna play around, make a bunch of pizzas. No better time than a Friday afternoon to make pizza and feed everyone at Serious Eats. Starting with a simple margherita. I think it came off the peel a little strong. The back edge is not going to be great, but it'll still be good. Again, all pizza's good pizza. So yeah, as I was saying, this is from error on my part. Definitely loaded up too many toppings on this first one, but you can see how it's like kind of soupy in the middle. But the char on it's really nice. You can see, yeah, like that's great. You don't get that really, and it's hard to get that in a regular oven, so pretty impressive for the oven, not me, for a first go. Going in the oven and immediately switching it to broil. The home oven, a higher hydration is better because it has to be in the oven longer, and therefore you're drawing out moisture, basically dehydrating the dough. What I'm interested to see is how this guy performs with different hydration doughs. But this looks pretty good. And they said it was no flames. We provide our own. Okay, I want to do another margherita in there. Slightly better. Oh yeah, this is better. Now we're talking. That's way better. Got some nice leopard spotting. Let's see the bottom. Oh, that looks good. So for this one, I'm really interested in tasting what the crust is like, the dough is like, so I'm not even gonna put cheese to this. This is the only case where marinara is like a real thing. It's tomato sauce, oregano, garlic, olive oil, salt. I mean, you can just see, like, even with this setup that Kenji developed that's like great for a home oven, it just can't compete as far as charring on the bottom side especially. I've never been able to achieve that with a gas oven before.
It looks like pizza.
It does.
It looks suspiciously like pizza. It looks like real stuff.
The crusty girl.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at this bubble.
I feel like I could live in that bubble.
Man, today's been a bad day to do work.
No, it's fun. This is like our team building.